Hello, today I will present about my journey with computers and knowledge gained. Before we begin, introduce my name is Akbar Widianto. Computer. A computer is an electronic device that manipulate information or data. They are capable of storing, retrieving, and processing data. You may already know that you can ask a computer to type documents, send email, play game, and browser and web. When first I got a computer in high school, I often use it play game FPS with my friend, and every time I have problem with the laptop that I use, often ask for help from my friend who understand more about computers. Besides that, I also like to use my laptop to watch a movie and anime through free website. If I'm bored with game or movie, I usually listen to music on YouTube and also often see learning and tutorials on YouTube. There are many things that I did not like about computers at first, namely the co- namely that the computer system use English, so that I initially had difficult understanding if there were problems in installing the application. But now in the Windows computer system, there is Indonesia language, so that is now much easier to understand, even though there are still some parts that still use English. I currently use a computer to learn about information system, such as the Python programming, UI UX design, web programming, where I have to start at the computer for a long time. That way, I often get bored there. I must balance with play games or listen to music so that the tasks become more enjoyable. Further, the next decision material is hardware. The definition of hardware is a alternate of component on a computer device that have a physical form, can be seen, touched, and feel. The function of the hardware is to provide support for the main function of the computer, such as input processing, output, secondary storage, and communication. In the hardware section, there are several files that I think are important. The first is the processor. The processor is the most important part. A computer is served its brain. Without processor, a computer cannot operate. Before buying a computer, the first thing you should do is look at the type and series of the processor. The higher series, the more optimally the computer can perform heavier tasks. On the other hand, lower series processor can only handle light tasks and are not suitable for playing graphic-intensive games. The second most important aspect is RAM. RAM is abbreviation for random access memory, which is an essential hardware component. Computer is the function is to serve as temporary storage during process carried out by the processor. RAM is equally important as the processor because if even if you have the last processor, the computer won't operate optimally without sufficient RAM. The third component is storage, which come in two types, HDD and SSD. However, I'm not provide detailed explanation. Storage on a computer is a component part used to storage data, commands, or instructions that will be processed by processing device. Storage on computer also has many types such as HDD and SSD. From both types have difference that are quite far from the speed of sending data, and physical size HDD with a rather large size because it still uses writers, while SSD are because is used implant chips from SSD speed much faster than HDD. And the last one, which is very important, is motherboard, and also no less important, motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board is in a computer that connect all the computer hardware components together. It serves it serves at the central hub for communication and power distribution between the processor or CPU, memory, RAM, graphic card, and other components. Yeah, that that is all from my presentation, and apologies if there are still shortcomings and issue in my delivery. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.